Hi, this is Anand Mahajan, your instructor. See, before starting with JDBC, we people are supposed to learn a few things like DBMS, database, table, and various DBMS softwares available in the market.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
What is a DBMS? It is an acronym for Database Management System. A database management system is used for creating and managing databases. Now, what is a database? A database is a collection of information organized in such a way that it is easily accessed, managed, and updated. In fact, a database is a collection of tables. Now, what is a table? A table is a tabular structure made up of columns and rows. Columns are also called column names or fields, or we can also call them attributes. Rows are also called records or tuples. Some people pronounce them tuples. Anyways, actually, see, suppose you people see a lot of companies which are doing business in the market, and they maintain the data of their employees, customers, products, services, etc. Where do they maintain the data? They maintain the data in a database, and database is managed by a DBMS, and database is made up of a table. I will show you a diagram of a table a short while from now, and you will be able to understand. Now, this is an example of a table, and you can see the data has been arranged in a tabular form. These are your columns: employee code, employee name, salary, date of joining, etc. These are column names, or which are also called field names or attributes. And we people have got records of many employees. For example, the first employee code for the first employee is 101, name is Anand Mahajan, salary is this one, date of joining is this one, and this is the second row, or which is also called a record. Rows are also called records. And this is employee code 102, Alan, David, this and this, and this is the second row or second record. This is the third one for Palak Gupta. This is the fourth record for Stephen. This is the fifth record for Peter Johnson. And this is as I've told you, this is a table, and a database is made up of tables, and database is managed by professional DBMS softwares. Now, what are the different DBMS softwares which are floating around in the market? There are a lot of them, like Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, IBM Informix, Teradata, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, SAP ASC, SQLite, MS Access, etc. In this course, we people are going to rely upon MySQL because it is one of the most popular DBMS softwares. It is an open source software and it is free to use. So in the subsequent lectures, we will see how we people can use MySQL.